Hello everyone. Today we are solving a question about interpreting a point on graph in a real world context. Let me first read the question carefully. We are given the equation y equals to 0.25x square minus 7.5x plus 90.25. So the equation gives the estimated stock price y in dollars for a certain company X days after a few product was launched where 0 is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 20. The question asks which statement is the best interpretation of the point 183 in this context. Now let us understand what this means step by step. Now the problem clearly tells us X represents the number of days after the new product was launched and Y represent the estimated stock price in dollars. So every ordered pair XY tells us at X days after launch the stock price Y dollars. Okay. Now the point is given 183. So in words, 1 day after the launch, product launch, the estimated stock price is $83. Now this is the direct interpretation. Now let us carefully check the answer choices. So analyze each option. Now first option A, the company's estimated stock price increased $83 every day after the new product launched. This is incorrect. Why? Because the point 183 does not describe a rate of increase. It does not say the stock increases $83 per day. It only tells us the stock price on day 1. So option A is incorrect here. Okay. Now come to option B. The company's estimated stock price increased $1 every 83 days after the new product launched. So this is also incorrect. Okay, again this is talking about a rate. Now the point 183 does not describe the change over time. It simply gives one value at one time. So option B is also incorrect. Now come to option C. 1 day after the new product launched, the company's estimated stock price is $83. This matches exactly what 183 means. X equals 1 day, Y equals $83. So option C correctly interprets the ordered pair. Now option D. 83 days after the new product launch, the company's estimated stock price is $1. This reverses X and Y. In our equation, X represents the days and Y represents the stock price. So option D is incorrect because it switches the meaning. Okay, so option D is not true. Okay, so the correct interpretation of 183 is 1 day after the product launch, the stock price is $83. So the correct answer for this question will be option C. Now, remember one thing. Whenever you see an ordered pair XY, always remember the first number is the input and second number is the output. In other problems, first number is independent variable and second number is a different independent variable. Okay, so never mix them up and do not confuse a single point with a rate of change. A rate would involve division or slope. A single point only gives one value at one time. Now, if we plug in x is equal to 1 into the equation, y is equal to 0.25 into 1 square minus 7.5 into 1 plus 90.25. So that becomes 0.25 minus 7.5 plus 90.25. So first combine 0.25 and 90.25. So this is equals to 90.5. Now subtract 7.5. So 90.5 minus 7.5 equals to 83. Okay. So the ordered pair 183 is correct and this confirms our interpretation. Okay, so the best interpretation of 183 is one day after the new product launched, the company's estimated stock price is $83, and the correct answer is option C. So I hope this is clear to you. This is a very much logical question. So see you in the next session with a new question. So it will be very interesting. Never miss it, guys. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and always, always, always stay curious. Bye-bye and take care.